My name is Renzo Canetta. I've been personally committed to the success of this workshop from the very beginning. I've seen young investigators coming through this course, being trained, and then pursuing a successful career. I think that at this stage of my career, I can only enjoy the fact that many young people are taking seriously this as a concrete and important way to contribute to the task of developing new treatments for cancer. Traditionally, there have been very specific occasions where separately the sponsors could talk to the regulatory agency, the advocacy community could talk to academia, but what was lacking was really a forum where everybody could have this type of dialogue and conversation. I believe that has helped tremendously improving the quality and the understanding of the clinical trials process in cancer, and also in other diseases, I have to say.